My name is Sloan Bradbury. I'm the service director over here at Arrowhead Lexus. A little bit of my background is I was a technician for about 16 years. I got the wonderful opportunity to become a service director and further my career here. I'm just very excited to change things. We already have a very solid department over here, but I feel like my area of expertise is making sure that we're doing everything exactly the way Lexus wants us to. Continue to just hit that level of excellence that Lexus is known for. All the people that may have a negative experience, I just ask that you give me the opportunity to try to make it right. I pride myself in making sure that every guest that leaves here has a positive experience. And once again, if you've had a bad experience or maybe your experience just wasn't what you expected, I want to invite you to come back in and just see the changes that have happened. I'd like to meet you personally if you do come in, and always excited to have you, and also any new customers that maybe just moved into the area. My customer service approach would be to treat every person that comes in here as a guest in my home. Something I'm very proud of that the team here at Arrowhead Lexus does is we all work together in the interest of serving our guests that come in here. From the service advisors working together to make sure that we're all being consistent, to the technicians that work together to make sure that we fix every car that comes in here right the first time, and it just makes for an exceptional guest experience every time that happens.